Well, hey, hi, welcome to another video, guys. This is going to be really interesting. So I borrowed this man's suit jacket and I'm going to be styling it with this scarf that I'm holding. But before we get into that, we're going to be dealing with the suit first. Okay, we need to get comfortable in this suit. So let's just hang the scarf somewhere and then deal with the suit. So first off, what I'm going to do is make the sleeves more comfortable, obviously because it's not my jacket. The sleeves are longer than my arms, so I'm gonna keep them in place with these two hairbands. Now just make sure that these hairbands are not very tight because you don't want to cut off your blood supply. That's not what we're looking to do here. Okay, so just make sure that they're nice and loose and comfortable and they're not strangling your arms. Okay, so now that I've got that fixed, I'm gonna go back and grab my scarf. And this style hack is fun, it's fresh, it's funky, it's quick and very easy to do. So no long tin, trust me. So now I'm folding the scarf on the right side into two, and then I'm lining up the edges just to make sure that they're equal and they're the same, no overlapping. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to feed the buttons. There are two buttons on the jacket. I'm going to feed the two buttons through the scarf and into the buttonhole. So that's literally what I'm doing now. Like I said, it's really simple, it's really fun, it's something you can do in like 2 seconds. And I just think this is a fantastic way to jazz up your clothes and add some spunk into it, don't you think? I think so. I mean, this is what I call his becomes hers. You borrow something of his and then you add a splash of your sexy self. Right, let's get back to the scarf. Okay, so you grab the free end of the scarf and here we're going to make a knot. Now the knot doesn't have to be a tight one, it just needs to be a stylish one. So you can tweak it however way you want, tie it, and then you stick the rest of the scarf into the pocket of the jacket. And then after that, you just have fun with it. Go on with it, mate. Just play with it, flip it, have it wherever you want. Like Burger King, you can have it your way. This is so pretty and chic, isn't it? Now we cannot leave it like this. We need to pair this with some nice shoes. So I'm gonna grab these funky shoes. I absolutely love these shoes. They're so unique. And I just think that they're perfect with this attire. I think they just complement each other really nicely. And so let me just put that on quickly and then give you a spin. And that's it. This is the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed it because I did. It was so fun creating this. And if you do try it, tag me on Instagram. I do want to see your version of it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit me in the comments below and see you in my next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.